because we're trying to grow in 2020. This is quarantine. This is a time for us to build ourselves up, okay? Hi everyone, it's Ayana and welcome back to my channel. If you're old here, welcome back, and if you're new here, I suggest you grab a snack, get comfortable, and stay a while, because over here we do hair, we give advice, and all that fun stuff. So I suggest you hit the subscribe button and continue watching. So today we're going to be trying out my DIY co-wash. So you guys saw in my last hair video that I did a hair coloring twist out, a purple twist out, and the material that I used was by Urban X, and I got it off of Amazon for $9.99. And the color was popping, the twist out was popping and everything, but it's just that the hair coloring material got everywhere. The minute I touched my hair, it came off on my hands, and if I touched anything else, it got on that. If I fluffed up my hair, purple flakes would go on my clothes and everything, and it just stained everything that my hair came into contact with. So I did not like that part of it. So I was like, I have to wash it out of my hair, because not only that, but ever since I used it, I just keep getting headaches. So I was like, let me just wash it out. So to wash it out and to help me really get it out, first I ran my hair under some hot water, and then I used my shampoo, my Suave shampoo. I'll put the link in the description. But I used that shampoo, and I was putting the shampoo in my hair and like really trying to get it out, and rinsing my hair over and over again, you know, the way you rinse out your hair and like squeeze it like it's a rag. And then I noticed that my hair was feeling really, really stripped, and I was like, oh God. But my hair still wasn't feeling clean because I didn't do my usual routine. I just washed my hair in one big clump just to get the color out. So I was like, okay, my hair is already feeling stripped. I don't want to go through wash day again and shampoo my hair. I need my hair to be cleansed, yes, but I need it to be moisturized. And then I realized this is why they invented co-washing. So I decided I'm going to make my own co-wash because I don't want to buy one. I didn't think it was necessary for me to buy a co-wash. No. So I decided to make my own co-wash, and this is what I used. I used the Suave Daily Clarifying Conditioner, the regular conditioner, super cheap. I used the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and I used rosemary mint oil. And I didn't have any rosemary oil, so I made my own. What I did was I got a small metal bowl and another pot. I put some water in the pot, let that boil, and put the bowl on the pot so that the steam would help the oil heat up. And then I put some rosemary leaves in the bowl with the olive oil. Stirred that around, you know, stirred, and boom, I had rosemary infused oil. And then I put that into the whole mixture. Conditioner, apple cider vinegar, homemade rosemary oil. And now I have my own co-wash. I only made a little bit because I'm only doing it this one time, and if I need more, I can go ahead and make more. So I only did a little bit this time just for one use. And it is like, it's so like soft, but it's also really liquidy. But anyway, let's get on with it. So first I take my spray bottle. I spritz the whole section that I want to co-wash with water. I'm doing this just as if I was shampooing. I always shampoo in 4 sections. So I'm going to take some of the co-wash. I'm not going to take a lot more because I already put like a ton on this one section. And I'm going to take some of the co-wash, rub it into my scalp, of course. And I'm going to tell you guys why I chose the ingredients that I did choose. I chose the conditioner because I wanted a conditioner like base for some type of thickness, because it is a conditioning wash. So I wanted a conditioner so that I could make sure my hair was going to be soft after I used it and moisturized. And then I added some apple cider vinegar because it's a co-wash, so I wanted my hair to be clean, and apple cider vinegar has clarifying properties. And then I used the rosemary mint oil because it says that the oil has some healing properties, yes, but I also felt it would not only soften up my hair even more, but it would also get rid of the apple cider vinegar smell, which it actually did. So unless you don't like the smell of rosemary, I don't mind it. I think the smell of rosemary is less unbearable than the smell of apple cider vinegar, so I really didn't mind it, and I used some rosemary to mask the scent. So once I've applied the co-wash to that entire section, I split the section in two, put that top part away, And I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and run it through my hair and detangle it. And then I'm gonna finger detangle a little bit just to make sure that I avoid excessive shedding and excessive breakage and whatnot. And my hair, it's making my hair feel really, really nice. So after I'm done with that, I just take this section and I twist it on up so I can let that marinate on my head. You understand what I'm saying to you? I'm gonna let it marinate on my head. Is that alright? Is that alright with you? And then I'm gonna put it into a cute little bun at the back, like a little bantu knot thing, just to keep it out of my way. And then I'm gonna repeat this entire process all over my head, and I'm gonna let you guys watch as I do that, and then I'm going to rinse it out and come back and show you guys the softness that is going to happen when I'm done with this. You understand? You understand what I'm saying to you? Okay guys, I just wanted to come back on to real time and show you guys what I've been doing exactly and how the product has been working for my hair. So again, my hair is really dry. Oh my god, it's so dry. I want to take my spray bottle. So that's enough water in my hair. And now I'm gonna take my DIY co-wash. It's super liquidy. I rub it all up in the palm of my hands, and then I put it in this whole section and coat every single strand, or at least try to. And then I massage it. I get a little bit more on my fingertips maybe, and I go into my scalp with it, and I massage my scalp.
And it feels really good, massaging my scalp. My headache is finally gone.
This feels amazing. It's so cool and refreshing on my scalp. I think it's that rosemary, guys. I think it's that rosemary. So now that I distributed it all throughout the section, I split the section in half, tie this part away, and depending on your hair length or whatever, you don't have to split your hair into the same sections I'm doing. I mean, if you have shorter hair, you might even have to do smaller sections, because I know as your hair gets shorter, it becomes physically impossible for your hair to be in a twist if the amount of hair is too big. You know what I mean? So yeah. And when I split it, I add some more co-wash onto this section, onto the smaller section, take my wide tooth comb and run it through my hair. And if I hear the wide tooth comb kind of having a difficult time getting through, I put it down, I go through, and I finger detangle, because we're trying to grow in 2020. We are trying to retain length in 2020. We are not trying to break off our hair. We're not trying to stay stagnant, okay? This is quarantine. This is a time for us to build ourselves up, okay? Yes. Yes. Okay, finger detangle's all done. I can run this back through. And boom, shakalaka. Don't forget to get those edges. I don't know what you're sitting over there not getting your edges as if this is... And then I take this section and I twist it up. After I fully put the co-wash in, rubbed it into my scalp with the pads of my fingers. Pads of your fingers. Don't scratch your scalp. Use the pads of your fingers. And now I'm just going to finish this last section really, really quickly. Come back with my hair all washed out and show you guys what it's looking like, how soft it is, and all that good stuff. Okay, so I finished applying the co-wash all over my hair. That took me all of maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I really wasn't checking the time, but I'm really all done. And I put them into these cute little bantu knots. And I'm just gonna do this overnight and just let it marinate in my hair and make sure I get all those good nutrients and everything. I'm gonna put a plastic cap over my head and go to sleep like that because I'm not going back underwater. I'm not doing that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay everybody, good morning. I had my hair in the bantu knots with the co-wash applied overnight, and then the second I woke up, I hopped in the shower, took a shower, and rinsed it all out. And my hair is really soft. My hair is really soft and it feels clean. It doesn't feel stripped. It feels moisturized. And I'm just, I love the feel of my hair. It's so soft, it's not stripped, and it just feels clean. I know I said that already, but this DIY co-wash, it really did its thing. Business idea? But yeah, DIY co-wash. Get yours today. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see me like make it in front of you, guys want to see how I make the co-wash, then I'd be happy to do that, and just leave a comment below if that's what you want. And if you like content like this, then give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. I will see you guys on Monday.